Hi guys, welcome to another one of Demetrius videos. And today I'm going to be doing an amusement park map.
Review.
Okay. 11.0. Not finished. Got him gold. YouTube got him gold. They got him gold. I don't know why I say that. Water slide, water log. Rules, no rules, have fun. Oh, I just burn this place down?
I dare you to
I
start
guess I
burning
just
it
want
down.
to place a
Burn
boat or
it down at
something.
the end.
Guys, I think I'm supposed to place a boat or something.
Burn it down at the end of the episode.
I'm gonna have fun at the end of the episode.
You gotta push up your boat. And then
No, I'm just doing it. I'm saying, guys, don't eat paper. Don't be eating. They brush their teeth. Not. I already feel bad by just chewing it.
I thought you wasn't eating it.
Chewing it. Guys, they don't brush their teeth, so it don't matter. They can't say nothing about nobody.
What does that say?
Over. They mean to ride over. Oh, I'm sailing the boat underwater. Guys, like, that boat sucks. I want to kill that boat. Whoever created it should kill itself.
They didn't even do a good job. That's
Yeah,
how
there's
you
no
feel
suck.
funny.
Roller coaster, Golden Walls, end. Brian, go to hell. That's not a cuss word.
Oh, yeah, it's in Bible. Brian, go to H.
It's not a cuss word.
That's in the
My mama
Bible.
told me that's not a cuss word.
Why he said that too, but in our house is
Go on the roller coaster ride before it burns.
he said
Man, I'm in trouble. My mama told me that wasn't a cuss word. It's two ways to say it. Cussing word way, not cussing word way.
I say it like that.
Should I say that?
It's not a cuss word. It's the name of a place.
It's not a cussing word because it's in the Bible.
It is the name of a place.
Mm-hmm.
All cussing words are in the Bible. Honestly, not all of them.
What place is it the name of?
Where the devil live?
Let's do it.
Your face a cussing word. The Moria is a cussing word. Oh, I just cussed by saying the Moria.
Y'all know y'all doing videos, right?
Oh yeah, sorry guys about that. They just made me mad. And they blessed me.
He cussed it. I tell
Her name is Jelvin. Anyway.
Yes.
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 Yes, and that Disney World. Yes.
If you white, y'all racist.
He is white.
Y'all racist. Guys, if you're white and watching this, you know what? You're Carmel.
And your name is Jesse.
If you heard that, kill yourself. I'm just saying. This was like a comedy video, guys, so I'm not saying this stupid stuff. Comedy your
Our name
teeth.
is Jesse.
Who wanna see me in mine?
Yes.
Who wanna see me in mine?
Nobody.
Yes.
Okay, I'm finna mine.
End the video.
Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video here as I tear up this sucky theme park. I'm not going ahead and show up this sucky theme park. So bye.